The first scratch we're going to learn today is cutting. So cutting plays in basically to what I was talking about with marking your record. And what it is essentially cutting the sound so that you can get a fluid motion. So what cutting is and you want to focus on the fader and the record for this scratch and every other scratch that we're going to do. So essentially what cutting is turning the fader on or to the left side, letting go the record, cutting it, and then bringing it back to where you were originally on the record. So cut it, bring it back, play it, cut it, bring it back, play it. So then as you get more technically efficient at cutting, you can just, so that's, you can play around with that. Otherwise, what the people hear if you don't cut is a very loud and obnoxious back scratch, which would be this. You don't want that sound. You don't want to hear this. So you're going to cut it so the crowd doesn't have to hear that. See, if you want to get that, you got to cut it out.